Welcome everyone to the world famous Harley Davidson of Panama City Beach. Today I got for you this astounding used 1999 Softail Springer. This bike starts out front with a 21-inch steel lace wheel, single disc brakes, and the chrome Springer front end. We've got the upgraded forward controls, the 80 cubic inch Evo V-twin engine with 5-speed transmission, high flow air cleaner, chrome round air cleaner cover, the Vance Hines staggered exhaust, upgraded passenger pegs, the additional passenger backrest, and also additional chrome luggage rack. 2-up seat, chrome and leather tank trim. Out front we got the 4-inch risers and the 10-inch mini 8 bars, braided cables, chrome switch housings, chrome mirrors. This bike is in orange and silver two-tone paint. The chrome headlight housing out front, in stock and ready for immediate delivery. Options and accessories on this bike retail out over $2,700. It's in stock and ready for immediate delivery. Here at the world famous Harley Davidson Panama City Beach, all our bikes are fully serviced and safety inspected. We take anything on trade, import motorcycles, cars, boats, campers, RVs, you name it, we take it as long as we don't have to feed it. We are rated #1 in customer service and have over 1,200 new and previously enjoyed motorcycles for you to choose from, and we ship used bikes anywhere in the world. For more information on this Springer, click the link below, and to view the rest of our super fine inventory, visit us at hdharley.com. We're always open 24/7, and remember, have one rockin', smoking, adrenaline-filled Harley day.